Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with the module 4. In module 4 we are going to study the concept of backtracking and branch and bound. Till now we have studied the concepts of divide and conquer, greedy approach, dynamic programming. These three concepts we have covered. In this module we are going to cover these two concepts. In backtracking we are going to see the examples of 8 queens, sum of subset and graph coloring, whereas in branch and bound we are going to study 15 puzzle and traveling salesman problem. So let's start with the first concept, backtracking. Now as the name specifies, backtracking means just as we take some choice, we may take some decision, and if at a later stage we come to know that our decision is wrong, we can backtrack and make another choice and then solve the problem to get the solution. That is the concept of backtracking. So in that the first topic we are going to study is 8 queen, or it's also called as n queen problem. Now the problem statement in 8 queen or n queen is we have to place the 8 queens, we have to place 8 queens on a 8 by 8 chessboard, on a 8 by 8 chessboard, so that no two queens attack each other. Now how two queens can attack each other? If the queens are placed in the same row or same column or diagonally, then they can attack each other. That means we have to place the 8 queens on a 8 by 8 chessboard such that no two queens are in the same row or in the same column or diagonally. So to understand the n queen in general problem, first we'll start with the 2 queens problem. So 2 queens can be placed on a 2 by 2 chessboard. So this is a 2 by 2 chessboard. So I have 2 queens, that is I'll call them as q1 and q2. So I'll place suppose q1 here. Now the q2 has to be, this is the first row, this is the second row, the first column, second column. So q1 is placed here, so q2 has to be placed in the second row. So second row q2 should be placed such that the q1 cannot attack q2. So it cannot be placed in the same column, it cannot be placed in the same row, and it cannot be placed diagonally. That means for placing q2, this place is not valid, this is also not valid, and this is also not valid. That means 2 queens problem doesn't exist, it cannot be solved. So now we go to the 4 queens problem. 4 queens problem, since there are 4 queens, we'll have a 4 by 4 chessboard. Now this in 4 by 4 chessboard, if I play, I'll start with the first position. Now here if I place q1, okay, now to place q2, q2 cannot be placed in the same row, cannot be placed in the same column, and cannot be placed diagonally. So I'll place q2 in the second row, but in second row I cannot place here, I cannot place here since it is diagonal, so I'll place it here. Suppose I'm placing q2 here. Okay, now in the third row I have to place q3. I cannot place q3 here because it comes in the same column. I cannot place q3 here because it comes diagonal to q2. I cannot place q3 here because it comes in the same column of q2. I cannot place q3 here because it is diagonal to q2. So as you can see, there is no valid place left for q3. That means the choice made for q2 was wrong. It doesn't give me any solution, so I will backtrack to q2 and I'll change the position of q2 to here. This choice made was wrong, it doesn't give me any solution, so I'll change this to here. So I'll show it in the next figure. So q2 was here, I'll make this choice different and I'll place it over here. Okay, now let's see q3 position. q3 cannot be placed here. Now yes, q3 can be placed here. This is the valid place for q3. Now talking about q4. q4 cannot be placed here because it is in the same column as well as diagonal. q4 cannot be placed here, it cannot be placed here, neither it can be placed here. That means again there is no place for q3. That means the decision we took here, because q3 there is no other place for q3, q2 also there is no other place where you can place q2. That means we have to backtrack till q1 and change the position of q1. So that will show here. Initially q1 was in this place, so now I'm changing its choice and I'm putting q1 here. Okay, now q1 is here. Now where you can place q2? Not here, not here, not here. That means q2 can be placed here. Now talking about q3, yes, q3 can be placed in the first place. Now q4 cannot be placed here, cannot be placed here. Yes, it can be placed here, q4. So as you can see here, no two queens can attack each other. So this is the 4 queen problem solution. The solution is written as, this is the second position, this is the fourth position column wise, and this is the first position, and this is the third position. So 2 4 1 3 is the solution. Now this solution is not unique. That means there may be more than one solutions for the given problem. For example, we'll see another solution that exists. Suppose q1 is placed here, q1 is in the third position, and q2 I place here, q3 I place here, and q4 I place here. Yes, so this is also a valid solution. So this solution is 3 1 4 2. So there are two solutions for 4 queens problem. Similarly, we can represent the 8 queen problem, and we can draw a state space tree, state space tree for a 4 queen problem. We have to start with this state. How to write a state space tree? We have to start with the state. This is one state. Now initially we have to place q1. I have 4 choices, 1 2 3 and 4. So initially I am at the initial state. I have 3 and 4, 1 2 3 4 choices. Now once I have made choice 1, I have 3 choices remaining. 1 is over, so I have choice number 2 3 and 4. Now once 2 choices done, 1 choice is done, 2 choices done, so the remaining choices are 3 and 4. See, 1 choice, 2 choice, 3 choice. Now remaining is the 4th choice. Similarly 1 2 4 and the remaining is 3. Similarly here, we are here, 1 choice is done, 3 choices done, so remaining are 2 and 4. So 1 3 2, remaining is 4. Here remaining is 2. This way you have to complete the state space tree. You can refer the PDF file in which I have drawn the partial state space tree. No need to draw the complete state space tree. You can always draw the partial state space tree. So this was all about the n queen problem. A 10 marks theory question is asked related to n queen problem.